This 2012 BMW X6 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. BMW X6 5.0i Sport Premium Package Sport Package Cold Weather Package Technology Package 5.0L Twin Turbo V8 Engine Automatic Transmission Navigation System Rear View Camera Premium Sound System Rear Parking Aid Front Parking Aid Heated Front Seats Memory Seats Xenon Headlights Adaptive Light Control System Power Automatic Windows Cruise Control Dual Power and Heated Exterior Mirrors Keyless Entry Keyless Start Silver Metallic Exterior Tan Leather Interior. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you'd like to have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2012 BMW X6 Sports is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing in the visit us at autogallerychicago.com.